Now we're going to say some words and we're going to listen closely for the very last sound, the final or end sound you hear when you say these words. And we get to move our bodies a bit and punch up that last sound when we say it. So I'm going to say a word first, and then I'll say the sound, and then you echo me. Job. B. You try. Head. D. Life. Bug. G. And page.